Welcome back. So this time I'm gonna be working on the brakes on this Jeep. The problem from the beginning was I used a throttle cable for the brakes, and the cable was too thin. So I find a nice cable, the one I've been using in my other projects. Well, I just started using it. I found out that I was using the wrong one. But this one is the one I need. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the other one out, install this one. I need to do a really small modification, but after that I think it will be great. So let's get into it. What happened is the cable went through. So you see, this is the cable and this is the cable hose of where the cable is going through. So it went through the whole thing, and that was the reason when it need to be stopped right in the top. Hopefully the new cable is gonna stop this, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Just install this one and hoping it gonna work. So everything looks okay down here. I think I have enough space to work on, so let's do it. Okay, everyone, so I'm very disappointed with my brakes. They still not working the way I want them. My F-150 brakes work wonderful. I think it's the kind of brakes I got. So on this one, they call like a drum brakes. They are totally different than the ones I got in my F-150. The ones in the F-150 are hydraulic. So I think that's the big difference between these two. So I think I'm gonna get a hydraulic brakes and put it on this one because they really worth it. They really do a great job, and the price is not that bad. So that's what I'm gonna be doing next. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. See you next time.